Would you like to earn over $25,000 on YouTube without making your own videos? If you do, you're in the right place. You can earn easy money over and over again. You can just repeat this as much as you want, and this is actually very simple, very easy. Anyone can do this without any experience, and in fact, this is 100% free. You don't need any investment or money to get started, and this opportunity is available worldwide in all countries in the world. Now, in this quick video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account and walk you through different examples and walk you through step by step on how to do this. Now, you don't need to record or edit the videos that will earn you that much, and the process is super easy. On today's episode, we're going to be showing you how you can earn up to $25,000 in a month by posting just YouTube shorts. So make sure you watch the full video all the way until the end and don't miss out on any important steps. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you the best and greatest platforms to be used to earn money real quick. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. And before we get into this brand new content, we release new ways to earn money online daily, and make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we drop a new method and be one of the first to have a chance to try it out. Leave a like and comment below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach more and more people. Now, before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Now, the steps to making money with YouTube Shorts is very easy, and we'll be taking you through these steps one after the other. The first thing you need to do is get your YouTube video. Like we mentioned earlier, you won't need to record these videos yourself, so you would just be needing a website, and this is what you really need to see this tool. Signing up for this website is 100% free, and although there are some features that you have to pay for to access, you don't need to pay for anything with the basics you just need for this to work. So all you have to do is create a free account on the website. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the template icon for what we need for the templates. This website offers a variety of beautiful templates that are free to use, and we can use the templates. If you don't want to use the exact video, you can edit some text and change some things in the video, and afterwards, you can just go ahead and upload your videos to your YouTube channel. Now, this is not the usual way of creating a YouTube video, but you're not going to be a YouTuber because of this. Once you click on the template, you would then be given many options to pick from, and you'll have to choose the right resolution for your videos. So you have to choose the resolution or dimension that's optimized for YouTube. Now, the templates are so easy to use and have different offers depending on the type of video that you want to use. For instance, you can search for weight loss videos and you'll be given options of templates that are suitable for weight loss videos. You can then click on the template and you'll discover that it's been specifically tailored for what you've searched for. For instance, if you click on a workout template that talks about 10 ways to lose belly fat, the template would be segmented in those 10 parts, and all you have to do is insert your videos according to their order of appearance. These templates are free to use on YouTube. You won't get any copyright strike if you upload these templates to YouTube, and your video won't be restricted or banned. Once you click on the template you want, you can go ahead and edit the template. This website will set up everything for you, but you'll need to edit the text. The text in the video, especially the opening text, has to be catchy and should make people want to keep watching your video. You can also remove clips from your template that you don't need. You need to make sure that the last text of the last slide indicates that you click on a link that refers your viewers to your website. You can also add music to your template. Once you're done with the template, go ahead and publish the template. Once you publish, you'll be given the options for your resolution. Now, some resolutions will cost you money, but you can just use the best cheap one available. Once you do that, you can go ahead and render your video. It shouldn't take more than a minute to get that done. Once you do that, the next thing to do is upload your YouTube video to your YouTube channel. Now, you don't need to have any subscribers to your channel or any likes for that matter to make more money. When you're about to upload your video on your YouTube channel, it is important to give your video a catchy title. In the description box created for you before you upload your video, put your affiliate links right there. This is because when someone buys a product from your affiliate links, they are already in the description box. This is where we make our money. This means that you have to have an affiliate link for you to be able to make money through this medium. There are tons of different affiliate platforms that we can use for affiliate marketing, so you can always pick whichever one best suits you. And by the way, this great tool is called wave.video. An example of a good affiliate marketing platform is clickbank.com. If you go to the website, you'll realize that creating an account on this platform is totally free. It is very easy to create an account. Just click sign up and fill in the required information on the website. Once you create your account, you can now choose the category you want to be an affiliate marketer for. You can go on the ClickBank marketplace to find the category that best suits you. So for instance, if you upload videos on exercises, you'll click on the health and fitness category. This means that you'll be promoting health and fitness products. You can also go ahead and pick specific products to promote your health and fitness category. Once you click on the category you want, you'll be given numerous items that you can promote. These items are usually arranged from the most popular product on ClickBank to the least popular product on ClickBank. On average, if you get a sale on the popular products, you'll get up to $120. Now, you can have the option of choosing whichever product you want to promote, and there's a preview of every product available for promoting on ClickBank. Usually, you're told all you need to know about the products with visual representation. Also, there are so many discount offers available to whoever's buying the products you're promoting, so it's a win-win for both the buyer and the seller. On each sale you make, you get up to 75% payment. Once you find the product that you want to promote, click on the promote icon. There, you'll be required to fill in your affiliate ID, after which a link will be generated for you. This is the link that you'll put in your description box when you're ready to upload your video on your YouTube channel. Now, the link provided is usually long and may even look unattractive, but there's a way around that. You'll need to go to tinyurl.com to shorten your link and make it look better. All you have to do is copy and paste the link on the website and click on the Make Tiny URL icon. As simple as that. Once you get your URL, you'll need to paste it into your description box. It's very easy for people to just click on the link and make a purchase, and for every purchase you get a percentage. But there's a hard part to this. The hard part is getting people to click on that link. Remember that it's not the video that's bringing in the money, but the link. There are tons of different ways to get views on your YouTube videos. You may need to explore options outside YouTube. This is because YouTube will not recommend this kind of video or rank it. After all, this video doesn't really give any value, so how do you generate views? Well, one way is to use Quora. It's free to create an account on this platform. Once you create your account for free, search for discussions of people regarding the kind of content you're putting out. For instance, weight loss. Now, some people may ask about how they can reduce their weight on Quora. So, on that you can comment by placing your link to your YouTube channel in the comments section. Once people see the link, they'll click on your YouTube link, watch the video, and also click on the link. And the more people who purchase products using your link, the more money you'll make. So, the most important thing to pay attention to is to get people to click on your affiliate marketing link. You can also place the link to your YouTube video in the bio of all your other social media platforms. That way, you get people who may not be regulars on YouTube to have access to your video. If you don't want to paste the YouTube video, you may as well post your affiliate marketing link on your social media platforms. It's not YouTube that's paying you, it's those that you're marketing for. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you take action. Don't let your mind control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video, and if you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is just like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.